How to get a virtual PayPal Mastercard. First of all, create a PayPal account. Once you created your account, open this website paypal-prepaid.com. Log in here using your PayPal account, then click on order your card. And here you will get this form. You have to fill up this information form using your valid details. So give here your first name, last name, give here your address, your zip code, your valid email address, and now choose a card. You can select any card from this list, and then all you have to need, just click on order a card, and that's how you will be able to get a PayPal card. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.